Exploring cryptocurrency governance models. Cryptocurrencies have rapidly gained popularity in recent years, and with that comes the question of how they should be governed. The governance model of a cryptocurrency refers to the way decisions are made about the development and direction of the currency. There are two main models: centralized and decentralized. Centralized governance means that a single entity or group of entities makes all the decisions, whereas decentralized governance involves a network of users making decisions through consensus. Both models have their strengths and weaknesses, and it's important to understand the differences between them in order to make informed decisions about which model is best for a given cryptocurrency. In this post, we'll explore the centralized and decentralized governance models, and discuss the benefits and limitations of each. 1. Introduction to cryptocurrency governance models. Cryptocurrency governance models play a pivotal role in shaping the future of the digital currency landscape. As the popularity and adoption of cryptocurrencies continue to surge, it becomes essential to understand the different approaches taken to govern these decentralized assets. Firstly, let's delve into the decentralized governance model. As the name suggests, this approach emphasizes the absence of a central authority or governing body. Instead, decision-making power is distributed among network participants, often referred to as stakeholders or token holders. Decisions regarding protocol upgrades, consensus mechanisms, and network changes are typically made through community-driven discussions and voting mechanisms. This model promotes transparency, inclusivity, and decentralization of power, aligning with the fundamental principles of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. On the other hand, centralized governance models involve a central authority or entity that has significant control over the cryptocurrency's direction and decision-making process. This centralized authority may consist of a small group of individuals, a consortium, or even a single organization. This model allows for quicker decision-making and implementation of changes, as the decision lies in the hands of a few select individuals. However, it also raises concerns about censorship, potential abuse of power, and the concentration of control in the hands of a few. Understanding the nuances of these governance models is crucial for both cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors. It sheds light on the underlying principles and mechanisms that govern the digital assets they interact with. Moreover, it allows individuals to critically assess the potential implications, risks, and benefits associated with each model, ultimately shaping their perspective on the future of cryptocurrencies. In the subsequent sections, we will delve deeper into the decentralized and centralized governance models, exploring their mechanisms, real-world examples, and the implications they have on the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So, let's embark on this journey of understanding and uncover the intricacies of cryptocurrency governance models. 2. What is a centralized governance model? A centralized governance model in the realm of cryptocurrencies refers to a system where decision-making power and control are concentrated in the hands of a central authority or a small group of individuals. In this model, key decisions regarding the development, operation, and maintenance of the cryptocurrency are made by a central entity. Typically, this central authority could be a company, organization, or foundation that oversees the cryptocurrency project. They hold the power to make decisions such as protocol upgrades, changes to the blockchain, and the overall direction of the cryptocurrency. Centralized governance models offer several advantages. Firstly, they can provide a clear and streamlined decision-making process, ensuring efficient development and implementation of updates. Additionally, centralized models often have the resources and expertise to quickly address any technical issues or security vulnerabilities that may arise. However, this concentration of power also raises concerns. Critics argue that centralized governance models contradict the fundamental principles of decentralization that cryptocurrencies aim to uphold. With power centralized in the hands of a few, the risk of corruption, manipulation, and censorship becomes a potential threat. Users may feel disempowered and unable to influence the direction of the cryptocurrency they are invested in. It's important to note that not all cryptocurrencies adopt a centralized governance model. The emergence of decentralized governance models, such as blockchain-based governance systems, aims to address the limitations of centralization. These models distribute decision-making power among a network of participants, allowing for greater transparency, inclusivity, and resilience. 3. Pros and cons of centralized cryptocurrency governance. When it comes to cryptocurrency governance, there are two primary models to consider: centralized and decentralized. Each model has its own set of pros and cons, which we will explore in this section. Starting with centralized governance, one of the main advantages is efficiency. In a centralized system, decisions can be made quickly and implemented without much delay. This allows for streamlined operations and the ability to respond swiftly to market changes or security threats. However, centralized governance also comes with its drawbacks. One of the main concerns is the concentration of power. With a central authority holding significant control over the cryptocurrency, there is a risk of abuse or manipulation. This could lead to decisions that prioritize the interests of a select few, potentially undermining the decentralized nature and principles of cryptocurrencies. 4. Examples of centralized cryptocurrencies and their governance structures. When it comes to cryptocurrency governance, there are various models in place. In this section, we will explore some examples of centralized cryptocurrencies and their corresponding governance structures. Point 1. Bitcoin, BTC. As the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized model. It is governed by a consensus mechanism called proof of work (POW), where miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and secure the network. Bitcoin's governance is driven by the collective decisions made by its community, developers, miners, and users through proposals and discussions on forums such as Bitcoin Improvement Proposals (BIPs). Point 2. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum, a decentralized platform that enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps, has a slightly different governance model. While it also utilizes POW as its consensus mechanism, it has plans to transition to a proof-of-stake (POS) model known as Ethereum 2.0. Ripple Labs has the power to make decisions regarding the development, distribution, and management of XRP. This centralized approach has drawn criticism from some members of the cryptocurrency community who advocate for decentralization. Point 4. Libra, Diem. Diem, previously known as Libra, is a cryptocurrency project initiated by Facebook. It aims to create a global digital currency that can be used for everyday transactions. Diem's governance structure is a consortium model, where multiple organizations, known as the Diem Association, collaborate to make decisions regarding the cryptocurrency's development and management. This approach aims to strike a balance between centralization and decentralization. These examples demonstrate the contrasting approaches taken by different cryptocurrencies in terms of governance. From fully decentralized models like Bitcoin to centralized models like Ripple, each has its own advantages and drawbacks. Understanding these governance structures is crucial for individuals and businesses looking to navigate the world of cryptocurrencies and make informed decisions. 5. What is a decentralized governance model? A decentralized governance model is a fundamental concept in the world of cryptocurrency. In simple terms, it refers to a system where decision-making power is distributed among multiple participants rather than being concentrated in a central authority or entity. In a decentralized governance model, there is no single entity or individual that has complete control over the cryptocurrency network. Instead, decision-making power is typically distributed among the network's participants, often referred to as nodes or validators. These participants play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and security of the network. One of the key advantages of a decentralized governance model is the elimination of a single point of failure. With decision-making power distributed among multiple participants, the network becomes more resilient to attacks or attempts at manipulation. This is particularly important in the context of cryptocurrency, where trust and security are paramount. It is worth noting that implementing a decentralized governance model is not without its challenges. Decision-making processes can be complex and time-consuming, as consensus among participants needs to be reached. Additionally, ensuring that the system remains secure and resistant to manipulation requires robust mechanisms and protocols. We hope you found our exploration of decentralized and centralized cryptocurrency governance models insightful. As the popularity of cryptocurrencies continues to rise, understanding the different governance structures becomes crucial for investors, developers, and enthusiasts alike. Whether you prefer the transparency and autonomy of decentralized models or the efficiency and control of centralized ones, it's important to stay informed about the strengths and weaknesses of each approach. By considering the factors we've discussed, you can make informed decisions in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency governance. Happy exploring, and may your digital assets thrive in whichever model you choose.